We're now going to start on the mobile website. So just before I'm going to do this, I'm going to create a new folder for myself, because when I download it from Dreamweaver, it just doesn't seem to work for me. So we need to go into our PT1 web. Now we've got this mobile. I think I've already given you some files. Let's go back here. I'm going to download it. I'm going to create another folder, W5 mobile, and it takes a little while to create. W5 dash, and just so that I can show you how it downloads, and we'll see whether it does work on this machine. So there's my new folder. I should see that in my files here as well. Let's duck out to here and refresh. W5 mobile, there it is. Okay, now in Dreamweaver here, I've already moved my site. Here's my W4 mobile. If I refresh, I should have W5, which I think will be empty. Okay, now in Dreamweaver we have the opportunity to make new files. New, add a page from a sample, mobile starters, and the local version of the JavaScript mobile site. Here it is, and I'm going to save this one. File, save as, and I'm going to save it into my W5 mobile. I need to call it index. Whoops. And save. For some reason, yes, we'll copy in all of that stuff. Now I'm actually looking at index.html. That has a capital I. Index.html, which is I copied at school. Peter helped me, and that one seems to work. Let's have a look and see what's happening here in terms of this one. So now I've got two index files open. The lowercase index is the new one. Let's run it in Explorer, and what would happen to me was I would receive a blank screen, and here we go, a blank screen. Now whereas if I run this one, which is already in your template, that's why I include it, that one there, if I run it in a browser, it works. Let's have a look. Here we go, page 1, page 2, I've put a little bit of rubbish in there, and back to page 1, page 3, this is another bit. Okay, so we can then let's reduce this. We can run that in as if it was on a mobile phone, and back. Okay, here and back. Alright, I might leave that over there. Let's see what we can do with this. Page 1, page 2, that's the main menu. So page 1 text. Now page 2, this is really page 2 text, content to text, and we might run that, make it add more page 2. We've got a page footer there. We can write in here, no we can't, page footer. Page 2. Let's just change that to page 3 so we know what we're looking at. Page 3. Comment. Alright. And page 3. 3. Let's ignore the typos. Control S. Let's go across to Alt Tab. It seems to take a little while to save. Alt Tab and page 2. No new text. Page footer. It's pretty ordinary. Let's just see here. I hope I'm in the right one. I'm in the capital I for index, yes. Go back. Page 3. Content hasn't changed. Let's go back. Page 4. I don't think that content's changed. So for some reason I'm not actually changing this file. Page 1. Control S. Page 1. I'm going to open here now just to make sure that I'm working on this file. And page 1. Yes, page 1's got that. Page 1. Well, I'm not sure how I view page 1, but there's page 2. Yes, page 2's got the content. More page 2. Back here. And page 3 now has got the content for page 3. So it's working. I'm not quite sure how to get the formats organized. Let's try that. We now have various different styles. I did see styles here somewhere. Maybe we go here, CSS styles, and we've got ordinary styles. Now CSS styles, we've got all these body A, B, C. Now I think it's a bit dangerous playing with this stuff, but let's just try bar C, and it's certainly changed it. Control Z, it's certainly changed the look of that. I'll do that again. Control Y should redo it. Control S. So really I'm not going to explain very much about this. I have no idea. The style sheet I think is very complex. It's up to you to muck around with it and see how you go. View it on your mobile phone and check it. Alt Tab, and let's go back here. Page 1. We have changed page 1, and I don't even know how to open page 1. I probably should change page 2. Let's try that. Page 2. So here I might try right click, CSS styles, block D. Doesn't seem to make much difference there. Let's try another one. CSS styles. No, we're stuck now. We've upset its apple cart. I think I might stop. Oh, okay, it's done something now. Control S, page 2, and yeah, it's taking a while. Alt Tab and refresh. Page 2 now has this look. So you can certainly muck around with styles as simply as that. Good luck. I'd love to see you figure it out and teach me. All the best.